In this video, I will show how to insert a special character in Google Docs. So very simple and easy way to insert. Just here click on Insert tab. Click on Special Characters. Now here you can select here from this two option symbol. So select any symbol. So we can see it will appear here. So here almost you will find useful symbols. Also you can select arrow. So there are some more options. So guys, you can see there is the list of options to insert different type of symbol, arrows. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.